how do you invest in real estate passively without having the risk involved when you are thinking, this might only last 6 more months, 12 more months, 24 more months? I just had a conversation with a client of mine who was going through the same thing. And what I asked was, are you living off the rental income currently? Because his portfolio is rented. Is yours rented, and are you living off the income? Okay. So it doesn't move your needle if it's rented. Right, got it. So then to Kent's point, I view something that a lot of people don't think about is how do you invest in real estate passively without having the risk involved when you are thinking, this might only last 6 more months, 12 more months, 24 more months. So there are funds you can invest in and get a preferred 7, 8, 9, 10% passively without the risk and get it paid out in distributions monthly until you can start to see the light at the end of the tunnel with your market, right? And so I bring that to light because a lot of people don't think of those things as there's other ways to invest in real estate. Take all your profits off the table, or half of them to Kent's point, and say, hey, I have an extra 500 grand. I don't need it. Let's invest in a smart manner so that I can still see revenue coming in and be able to look around that corner. Because that, to everyone's point, that will be coming. So that's one strategy that you can do besides like the rentals in Memphis Invest, Dallas Invest. Invest into a fund of sorts to get a distribution. Same idea, way less risk.